Hello dear students of class 4 and welcome to yet another online class of science. Now dear children, in the previous video we completed chapter 2 human body, the teeth, and I gave you certain questions to do as homework. This particular video is a reference video to those exercises only. You can match your answers with the answers that I give you, and if there is any mistake you can correct it yourself and keep your notebook updated. Alright, so let's begin. We'll begin with the questions, not the exercise part, the question given in the end of at the end of chapter. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Number 1, there are dash incisors in each jaw. Your options are 3 and 4, and your correct answer is 4. There are 4 incisors in each jaw. The children do not have dash teeth. Your options are permanent and milk. Your answer is permanent. Okay, permanent teeth. Number 3, the hardest part of the tooth is. Your options are dentine and enamel, and your correct answer is enamel. To clean the spaces between the teeth, we use dash. Your options are floss and sugar, and your answer is floss, also known as dental floss. And number 5, sunlight plays an important role in dash formation, water formation or vitamin D formation. Your correct answer is vitamin D. So dear children, for your first question, your correct answers are number 1, 4, number 2, permanent, number 3, enamel, number 4, floss, and number 5, vitamin D. Alright, run your correction. Now we will move on to the main exercise part. Main exercise part also, first one is choose the correct option. We will go accordingly. Okay. But this one, what we will do is we will write the options also. The process by which teeth emerge from gums. Your options are number A, teething, number B, flossing, number C, tooth decay, and number 4, number D, none of these. None of these. So the process by which teeth emerge from gums, teething, flossing, tooth decay, and none of this. And your correct answer is number A, teething. Let's move on to number 2. The number of permanent teeth an adult has. The number of permanent teeth an adult has. Your options are number A, 44, number B, 20, number C, 34, and number D, 32. So you have 44, 20, 34 and 32. And I think you all know the correct answer yourself. The number of permanent teeth an adult has is 32. Now let's move on to number 3. The mineral that is required to make the teeth strong. In the formation of the teeth as well as making the teeth strong, this particular mineral is required. Your options are number A, calcium, number B, iodine, number C, iron, and number D, all of these. All of these. And your correct answer is number A, calcium. Number A, calcium. So once again I am telling you the answers for 1, 2 and 3. Number 1 answer is number A, teething. Number 2 answer is number A and number D, 32. And number 3 answer is again number A, calcium. Let's move on to choose the correct option, number 4. The layer of tooth that is present below the enamel, not above the enamel but below the enamel, is, options are number A, dentine, number B, pulp, C, root, D, none of these. None of these. So the layer of the tooth that is present below the enamel is number A, dentine. Number A, dentine. Okay. Now the last one from choose the correct option, number 5, number A. Okay, your 5 question. To keep our teeth healthy, listen nicely, to keep our teeth healthy, we must avoid, what do we need to avoid? Number A, fizzy drinks. Number B, sugar, sweets. And number D, all of these. So number 5 you have number A, fizzy drinks. Number B you have sugar. Number C you have sweets. And number D you have all of these. And your correct option for this one is number D, all of these. If you want to keep your teeth healthy, you need to avoid fizzy drink, sugar as well as sweets. So this ends our choose the correct option. Let's move on to exercise B. Choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Again, it is fill in the blanks but with options. Milk teeth are dash set of teeth. Milk teeth are dash set of teeth. Your options are temporary, permanent. So you have temporary and permanent, and your correct answer is temporary. So you will tick temporary and you will fill in the blanks also as temporary. Alright, then you have number 2. Big, flat and broad teeth. Broad teeth are dash. Big, flat and broad teeth are dash. If you have paid attention to the previous video, you know what the answer is. So you have a dash and your options are incisors and molars. Incisors and molars. Big, flat and broad, obviously the answer is molars. You will tick molars and in blank you will write molars. Okay. Moving on to number 3. The part of the tooth above the gum is. The part of the tooth above the gum is called dash. Your answer is crown and enamel. That is your options. Your options to the correct answer are crown and enamel, and your correct answer is crown. Your correct answer is crown. Number 4. Dash formation leads to tooth decay. Dash formation leads to tooth decay means if this particular thing builds up in our teeth, it can lead to tooth decay. And your options are gums and plaque. Gums and plaque. And your correct answer is plaque. So your 4 answers for the blanks are number 1 temporary, number 2 molar, number 3 crown, and number 4 plaque. Okay, and remember You'll write the option also, you'll tick the option also, and you'll fill in the blank also. Next is name the following. That's your exercise C. Exercise C, name the following. So you have number 1, part of the tooth that is present inside the gum, not outside the gum, inside the gum. And your answer is root. The name is root. Then you have number 2, the innermost layer of the tooth. You have enamel, inside you have dentine, and inside that the innermost layer is pulp. Innermost layer of the tooth is pulp. Then you have number 3, the outermost layer of the tooth. Like I told you before only, first you have enamel, then dentine, then pulp. So the outermost layer is enamel. And then you have number 4, the doctor to whom we visit for a proper dental checkup. If we want to have our teeth checked, or if we want to have the problems of our teeth treated, then the doctor who we visit is known as dentist. So your four answers are, for name the following: number 1 root, number 2 pulp, number 3 enamel, and number 4 dentist. Now moving on to exercise D. You have to give 2 examples for each. 2 examples for each. Ways to take care of teeth. How can we take care of our teeth? Number 1 is brushing, and next one is flossing. Then you have number 2, food that make your teeth healthy and strong. Well, first one is milk, second one you can write cheese. Both of these provide calcium to our teeth, which makes our teeth strong. Then you have number 3, 2 diseases of teeth due to acid produced by germs. If our teeth gets germs and they produce acid, then our teeth gets 2 problems. One is tooth decay, and next one cavity. Then you have number 4, food that usually lead to tooth decay. Now food which we eat and that leads to tooth decay. Well, sugar and sweets. Sugar and sweets. So your answer for number D, give 2 examples for the following are: number 1, ways to take care of teeth. Number 1, brushing, brushing, brushing. Number 2, flossing, flossing, flossing. Number 2, food that make your teeth healthy and strong. Number 1, milk, milk, milk. Number 2, cheese, cheese. Then you have number 3, 2 diseases of teeth due to acid produced by germs. Number 1, tooth decay, TOOTH, tooth, DECAY, decay. That's tooth decay. And second example is cavity, CAVITY, cavity. And number 4, foods that usually lead to tooth decay. Food which can cause germ buildup in our mouth, acid formation in our mouth, and which can harm the teeth by causing tooth decay and cavity are: number 1, sugar, SUGAR, sugar. Number 2, sweets, SWEETS. Now dear children, in answer 4, if you add fizzy drinks, FIZZY, fizzy, DRINKS, drinks, instead of one of these, that will also be correct. It means it doesn't have to be sugar and sweets only. You can add fizzy drinks also. Understood? You can remove one of these and you can add fizzy drinks if you want. So this is your reference video for the exercise given. In the next video, we will cover the question answers of the chapter. Till then, you keep your work updated by referring to this video. Thank you very much. Stay safe.